Yes, hello guys, welcome to this YouTube tutorial on the best 5 features of Flutterflow. Remember, I told you that Flutterflow is a no-code platform that helps you to build streaming applications from scratch. Yeah. A lot of you guys have been asking me, I've been wondering whether it is possible for someone to develop an application from zero to the end without writing a single code. And now I'm here to answer all of you guys who have been doubting. So please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on different videos that are yet to be uploaded. Yeah. So without further ado, let me share my screen so that we can get started with this video. Yeah, here we are. What you have to do, you have to go to Flutterflow, and you have to go to Flutterflow and to any browser you're using, and you type in Flutterflow. We go to Flutterflow. This is the interface. You have to sign in if at all you have an account, or start for free to sign up if at all you don't have an account. After signing up or signing in, you will be redirected to this interface. If you are a beginner, you won't be able to have these projects. Apparently, your interface will be blank. But because I have some good projects here, that's why I'm able to see some of the projects I have worked on recently. So what you have to do, you have to go to create a new project. So I'm going to name my project Flutterflow. Um, learning, maybe learning. I think it's better. I'm gonna name it learning. So you can either begin from scratch by creating a blank interface, or you can choose any of the templates that have been provided here. So I'm going to begin from scratch. Okay. So I told you in the recent project that you can add Firebase. You can connect Firebase directly from the beginning. But if you don't want to connect it, and you are not going to use it much, you may skip this step. So for me, I'm going to skip it because we are not going to use it in this tutorial. But I have a recent tutorial on how to link Firebase to Flutterflow. It is the link is included in the description below. So if at all you didn't watch that video, you can go ahead and check it out. So this is the interface. This is the Apple bar, and this is the interface. This is like the navigation bar in the website, and now this is the body of the website. So you can either add frames like so. You can add frames so that it can appear more of like a phone interface. Yeah. So, but our main focus is on these features. On the sidebar, we're actually going to see the first 5 features. The first one is actually called Widget Palette, or it is called User Interface Builder or UI Builder. What it does, it contains all the widgets that are going to be used in developing your application. This is where you drag widgets and drop them here, because Flutterflow actually works. Everything in Flutterflow is a widget, just like in Flat that. Yeah. So even here, everything is a widget. So this is a text widget, column widget, row widget. You can come here and search for any widget you want. Maybe I want an icon. I will just come here and say icon, and here I just drag and drop here. Hope it's making sense. Yeah. So this is the user interface builder section, where you can access all the widgets: text widget, button widget, everything, timer, icon, button, everything mentioned there. You can access them in user interface builder or widget palette. Away from that, we have a widget tree. Widget tree is more of hierarchy of the website, like hierarchy of the application or web app. This is what you are building. By hierarchy, I mean that from this one I go to this one, like from maybe column, maybe having a text within a column. So you can see that the flow will be column. Then you go to what is within the column. You can click here to collapse the content within the column. So you can see you have an icon here. Yeah. So if I add another package or widget like text, so you can see that now I have column, icon, text. So this is like it keeps hiding like all of the widgets in the application. So it's all about being organized and for easy access of with different widgets in the website or in the application you are building. So away from this, we have page selector. Page selector, this is where because in our application we have different pages. We have login page, you can have register page, home page, maybe contact page. All those pages you can create them here. So here you can see we have different sections. We have this one called pages and components. So now I'm more interested in pages. So here you can see all the pages you have. So if at all I duplicate this one, if you want to duplicate a page, you right click and you duplicate a page. So you can always click here to rename the page. Maybe if I want to name this one home, I'll just come here and type home, then press enter. If I want this one to be maybe a login, I will just come here and type in login, and here we are. So apparently I have 2 pages. So if you don't know how many pages you have, you just come and click here. You right click. After opening this one, I will come here and save all pages. So when I save all pages, now I can see all the pages I have. So if at all you want to add in a new page, you have to say add a new page. So adding a new page, as I told you, you can begin from scratch or select from these templates that have been given here. I hope I'm making sense. So this is about page section or page selector. Another one is storyboard. Storyboard is like how the link between pages in your application. Let me show you an example. If at all I come here and let me delete this one, these widgets I had put. So if at all I come and maybe, let me see. If at all I come and put a button here, oh God, what's not happening? Let me say I'm on login page, and in login page, I want to put a button like this one. I'm not going to style it, guys. It's going to be a bit weird, but I'm not going to style it. So we are in login. So I want this login, when someone clicks it, I want that person to go to home page. Yeah. So now it is from login to home page. So if at all I come back here to storyboard, okay, I said from which one is this? Yeah. So I want from, okay. So I want when someone clicks here, the person should go to home page. Okay. Oh, sorry. I didn't choose what is the landing page. I think that's the problem I'm having. So to choose which page, like which page should load first, should the user see when your application has just loaded, you have to go to settings. When you go to settings, you come to the entry page is home page. So I want to make the entry page to be login page. Okay. So if the entry page is in login page, I need to have another page. This is the login page. Okay guys, let me create another page here so that we don't waste much time. Let me create another page here, duplicate this one. It is, let me call it a home. maybe home page. When you are naming your page, you don't put any space. It's not allowed to put any space in the home page. In the page, like the name of the page can't have space. Yeah. So if at all I have this one as the home page, and I want, let me delete this button so that I can have. Actually, let me add a text. Let me add a text here. Okay, let me just call this one home page. Let me just call it home page. Home page. Yeah, so I want when someone clicks on login, the person is like goes to home page. Yeah, so I've got action, navigate, on tab. I want to navigate to home page. Yeah, yeah. Let me. This is what I wanted. So you can see now what I was saying. You can see that there is now a link that like this is the first page, this is the second page. So what links the first page to the second page is when you click this button. When you click this button, you will be ready to another page, which is the home page. So this is like it shows you linkage, linkage between pages in your application. Yeah. So another one is Firestore. Firestore is a section where you create is like a database for your application. It's more for Firebase. It acts as a Firebase database in your application. So if maybe you want to retrieve data from our database, you have to create all those fields, data types and fields in this section called Firestore. So an example is if I click here, I'll be asked to write or to create a collection. A collection is more of a database. So if maybe I'm doing a message, I will say message is the name of the collection I'm writing. Then after creating it, I will just click here and say start from scratch. Start from scratch is like now start to fill in what's gonna be in that collection. Maybe I want an email. I'll say email, and then data type. Data type is like maybe if I can give you an example, like a boy should wear trouser, and then maybe a girl should wear a skirt. Yeah, because that's the trend, especially in African countries. So email we wear something like a string because email is like contains more string than numbers, so it's more of string. So you click here, and when you click here, you can see now this entry is saved. So you can either delete it and or go on and create other fields, maybe created time, something like that. So time we have a data type of date time, and I add that. Yeah. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. Just wanted to show you the 5 most used features in Flutterflow, and you have seen the first one is user interface builder, widget tree. We have what we call widget tree. We have what we call page selector. Then you have storyboard and Firestore. So we shall keep on adding as time comes. As time goes on, we shall keep adding. I want you guys to learn how to master different features in Flutterflow, so that by the time you start creating application, you don't find any problem. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching, for being attentive. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for yet other videos to be uploaded here. Yeah. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.